how to add a bounce on Snapchat. So if you want to add a bounce on Snapchat, then first of all, open up your Snapchat application and then simply take a snap. And after taking a snap, now here on the upper right side or the right side of your screen, you will have a bunch of options, right? So on the last option, you will have a loop or the infinity sign. So you can simply tap on that and again tap on that, and it will play for once. And then if you again tap on that, it will loop. And if you again tap on that, you will have a bounce option. But in some mobile phones or in some region, you don't have that bounce option. For now, I don't have that bounce option, but if you have in your device, then by simply tapping on that loop, you will have that bounce option. And then you can simply tap on send, and then you can send that to your friends. So that's it. That's where you will find the bounce option on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.